Welcome to how to use the STYLPRO Fabulous Firmer Neck and Face Smoother. This device has 3 different modes: brightening, renew and restore. To turn the device on, hold the power button until you hear a beep. To change the setting, continue to press the power button. To prep the skin, apply moisturizer or serum to the desired area. This device is touch sensitive, so to activate the vibrations, ensure it's touching the skin and your fingers are covering the silver rim. For brightening, ensure the device is set on the green mode. Glide the massage head along the desired area for 3 minutes for best results. For renewing, ensure the device is set on the red mode. Make sure you use the device in an upwards motion on the desired area for 2 minutes. You can use this mode in different areas. First mode is here, second mode is here, third mode is here, and fourth mode is here. For restore, ensure the device is set on the blue setting. Use the device in the desired area for 2 minutes to help improve acne scarring and inflammation. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions, please email teamtom@styleideas.com.